Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, weaning. Weaning is a unique journey for both mama and baby. Finding the right time to transition can make all the difference. We'll walk through a step-by-step guide to help you navigate weaning. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more parenting tips. And tell me in the comments, have you started the weaning process? What have been your biggest hurdles? Every baby is different, just like every mama. Each journey is unique, and what works for one family might not work for another. It's important to remember that your baby's needs and your instincts are the best guides. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to weaning. Some babies might be ready earlier, while others may take a bit longer. It's all about finding the right balance for both of you. Look for signs like decreased interest in nursing. Your baby might start to show more curiosity about the world around them, turning their head away during feedings or becoming more playful, or getting distracted during feedings. These behaviors can indicate that they are ready to explore other ways to get their nutrition and are becoming more independent. These could be signs they're ready to explore other ways to get their nutrition. Introducing solid foods can be an exciting new chapter for both of you, filled with new tastes and textures. Trust your gut, mama. You know your baby best. Your intuition is a powerful tool, and it's okay to rely on it when making decisions about weaning. If something feels off, or you're not quite ready, it's okay to wait. There's no rush, and taking your time can make the transition smoother for both of you. Make sure both you and your little one are healthy before starting. A strong foundation of health can make the weaning process easier and more comfortable. If either of you has been under the weather, talk to your healthcare provider first. They can offer guidance and support to ensure the timing is right. No need to rush this process. Weaning is a significant milestone, and taking it slow can help both you and your baby adjust to the changes with ease. There are two main approaches to weaning your baby from breastfeeding: gradual weaning and immediate weaning. Each method has its own set of benefits and challenges, and the right choice depends on your unique situation and needs. Gradual weaning is about taking it slow and steady, reducing breastfeeding sessions over weeks or even months. This method allows both the mother and baby to adjust to the change at their own pace, making the transition smoother and less stressful. This approach is gentler on both mama and baby, allowing time to adjust. It can help maintain the emotional bond and provide comfort during the transition. Gradual weaning also gives the mother's body time to slowly decrease milk production, reducing the risk of engorgement and discomfort. Immediate weaning might be necessary due to medical conditions, returning to work, or other personal reasons. This method involves stopping breastfeeding all at once, which can be more challenging for both mother and baby. If you need to wean immediately, don't worry. Your healthcare provider can offer guidance and support to help you through the process. They can provide tips on how to manage any discomfort and ensure your baby is getting the nutrition they need. No matter which method you choose, offering comfort and closeness is key. Extra cuddles, bottle feeding, or a sippy cup of water can help your little one feel secure and loved during this transition. It's important to be patient and understanding, as every baby reacts differently to weaning. Some may adapt quickly, while others may need more time and reassurance. Remember, every situation is unique and support is available. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups for advice and encouragement. You're not alone in this journey, and with the right support, you and your baby can successfully navigate the weaning process. Let's break down the weaning process into manageable steps. Weaning can be a challenging time for both mother and baby, but with a structured approach, it can be a smooth transition. Start by dropping one feeding session per day, choosing a less crucial time. This helps your baby gradually get used to the change without feeling too much discomfort. Offer solid foods, a bottle, or a cup of formula instead of nursing. Introducing a variety of foods can make the process more interesting for your baby. Gradually shorten the length of each breastfeeding session. This will help your baby adjust to the new routine without feeling abruptly cut off. Offer distractions and alternatives during typical nursing times. Engaging your baby in play or reading can divert their attention from nursing. Nighttime feedings can be the toughest to break. Babies often find comfort in nursing at night, so be patient and gentle. Replace one with a bottle or a cup of formula. Consistency is key. Stick to the new routine even if it takes a few nights for your baby to adjust. Stick to your schedule as much as possible. A consistent routine helps your baby know what to expect and makes the transition smoother. This will help your little one adjust more quickly. Babies thrive on routine, and knowing what comes next can be very reassuring for them. Remember, it's all about finding a pace that feels right for you and your baby. Every baby is different, so be flexible and patient with the process. Weaning can be an emotional roller coaster for both mama and baby. It's a big change, and it's natural to feel a mix of emotions. Offer extra love and reassurance to your baby. Hold them close, give lots of snuggles, and talk in a soothing voice. Let them know you're there for them every step of the way. It's okay to take it one day at a time. If you feel overwhelmed, reach out to your partner, a friend, or a family member for support. Don't hesitate to talk to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Ensure your little one gets all the nutrients they need during weaning. Offer a variety of healthy foods from all food groups. Hydration is key. Offer plenty of water, especially during and after meal times. You can also offer milk or formula if needed. Mama, don't forget about yourself. Stay hydrated and eat nutritious foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods for energy. If you're feeling overwhelmed, ask for help with meal prep or grocery shopping. Support is essential during this transition. Well, mamas, we made it to the end of our weaning journey. Remember, every baby is different, and there's no one right way to wean. Trust your instincts, follow your baby's lead, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. You never know who you might inspire. Don't forget to subscribe for more parenting resources and baby care insights. Until next time, take care of yourselves and those sweet babies.